That sure was some ride today we had.
Don't I know it? I'm still sore from that old saddle.
Yeah, it was really cold out there too.
I'm glad we got this fire going to keep us warm tonight.
Yeah, big day tomorrow on the trail. Big day.
Don't be stuck living in the past. Gas appliances are more popular every year, and you need to know how to service them. Enroll in CSIA's Installing and Troubleshooting Gas Hearth Appliances to learn everything you need to know to meet the ever-changing marketplace.
What tarnation you waiting on?
Yeah, get on over there to that CSIA website and register now.
Wait, what is a website?
Well, what's a computer?
Sign up today, partner, at csia.org. This class is offered once per year and space is limited.